Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, we're going to set up and install a Landeagle mica space heater. Some safety instructions to keep in mind are to use the heater only indoors on a stable level surface and to keep at least 3 feet of space around it, making sure the vents aren't blocked or covered. Always plug it directly into a properly grounded wall outlet and to never use extension cords, power strips, or place it directly under a socket. And if the cord, plug, or heater ever gets damaged or starts overheating, stop using it right away. So what we're going to do is turn the heater upside down and align the grooves of the foot stands with the projections on the heater body and push them inward until they lock securely into place. And next we're going to insert each of the caster wheel shafts firmly into the holes of the foot stands until they lock into place, and repeat this for all 4 wheels. Now it's time to set up the humidification box, which helps reduce how dry the air gets while the heater is running. Just simply slide the humidification box out from the right side of the panel, fill it up with clean water up to, but not past, the max line, then push it firmly back into place. Just make sure the heater is unplugged before adding water, keep the unit level to avoid spills, and remember to drain the box if you won't be using the heater for an extended period. Next, we'll remove the protective plastic from the panel and plug it into a proper 120 volt wall outlet. Next, we'll flip on the main power switch underneath the heater and then press the power button on top to turn the unit on or off. From there, you can use the mode button to switch between the low heat yellow light or the high heat, which is the red light. And then we can set an automatic shutoff from 0 to 12 hours with the timer button and adjust the temperature or activate the eco mode using the plus and minus buttons. Now to speak briefly about the remote. It doesn't come with any batteries, so make sure you have AAA batteries on hand. Now it does have all the same buttons as the panel, but it also includes a lock feature, which is great for preventing accidental button presses. When you do press the lock button, the screen turns off and all buttons except the power and the lock become disabled. Simply press the lock button again to unlock the remote and restore full control. As for safety features, this heater has both tip over protection and overheat protection built in. If the heater gets knocked over, it'll automatically shut off. Just place it back on a flat stable surface and turn it on again. And if the vents ever become blocked or the unit overheats, it will switch itself off. Simply unplug it, clear any obstruction, wait about 30 minutes for it to cool down, and then restart the heater. I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Please leave a comment down in the comment box and have a wonderful day.